Meaning of dermis.
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 Dermis. The dermis is a layer of skin located beneath the epidermis. It consists of dense connective tissue and contains blood vessels, nerves, hair follicles, sweat glands, and other structures. The dermis is responsible for providing support and elasticity to the skin, as well as for regulating temperature and protecting the body from external threats. It also contains specialized cells that play a role in immune defense and wound healing. Overall, the dermis is essential for maintaining the integrity and health of the skin, which is the largest organ of the human body.